For the safety, wear a Google, workshop jacket, suitable pants, and safety boots. First, switch on the machine.
And then, before using the machine, make sure that all the machine parts are functioning properly. After checking all the machinery part, measure the overall dimension of the raw material before machining process. Set the gear to medium speed and then do face cut. Before starting to do the face cut, please make sure that the material is secured tightly on the platform.
Set axis X, Y and Z to 0. Then do face cut on the both sides to get dimension A and dimension B.
After face cut, we do side cut on both sides to get dimension C. Then we do side cut on one side of the material to get dimension D.
After done with the side cut, we mark a line of 10 mm to get the area E. At the machine, we set the angle of the machine vice table to a 45-degree angle. Then we set the depth of cutting tool to cut 15 mm. Then we do chamfer at area E.